Now I'm going to give you a topic and you will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say, and you can make some notes to help you if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
So there is your paper and pen.
Thank you.
And this is your topic. So I would like you to describe a national holiday in your country. Okay, now you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry. If I stop you, I will tell you when the time is up. Could you please start speaking now?
Yes, I'm sure. One of my favorite festival is Eid-ul-Fitr, which is celebrated by Muslims all over the world, and it comes after 1 month of fasting. Everyone is very excited and joyful, and the atmosphere is full of celebration and joyful. Celebration of laughter. The day before it, I usually help my mother prepare special dishes like biryani, kebab, and sweet and dessert items. And then me and my brother, I also decorated our house with colorful light and banners, and everything makes look festive and bright. On Eid morning, I wake up early and take a bath, and then I wear new traditional clothes, and then I go to the prayer room with my mother for the Eid prayer.